Let me just quickly refresh the page. There will special search bar, a special panel in the customizer for the search bar. For example, when you activate the customizer in the left sidebar, there is a maybe the place will be moved, but for now is here on the main route header navigation search bar. There is just a tablet menu. For example, let's just wait a little bit the website to show all the elements, because when I'm recording a video there is a little bit slower on the computer. So for example, now the search is disabled. We can enable from here master navigation search bar, just run it on. Remember, when you click on the on or off, they just automatically show or not showing the element you want to work. So for example, there is some information here. The settings will be here below as well. So if you click get started, you'll be redirected in a new tab, and if you are logged in your Google account, you will be able to create a new programmable search engine. So for example, let me create just an example for our website, your SEObook custom search engine and engine. So for example, you'll be asked where your search engine should search. You can choose a couple of options, just the whole network, like search the entire web. This means your search will working and search for results from the entire web, like all the Google results. So for example, if you want to make it personal for your website, just you need to click the top radio button, and for example, they told you what you can do here: entire domain, specific pages, and so on. So for example, we want just part of the website, because we are using actually here for example network, and let's go network, and let's add for example like that. And now our search engine will search only for results that are in this website, not in the whole network. So if I add that here, this is already added in our search. For example, you can choose image search, safe search, if you got images, media files, videos in your web pages. You can select that option. For example, safe search is the same functionality like the Google safe search in the SERP. And when you are ready, let me name again. Oh no, sorry, just let me go back. There is just two tabs. Open it. Let me go back to the previous tab and click here our website. Let's just add that, because we don't want to search the entire web. Image search, safe search, and you need to pass I'm not a robot challenge, which is reCAPTCHA. There is a probability just Google to show you some pictures to pass that checking, and that's it. Actually, Google will give you just a basic code which said copy the following code and paste it in your site body section where you want to search box and search results to render. This is the basic, and if you add this anywhere in your website, the search box will be displayed, and below that, when you start searching, below that search box, the results will be displayed. So all this will be skipped for you. Just you need to register the search engine and copy that search engine ID. And when you add your ID in the customizer settings, your search engine with Google Programmable Search will start working. If you select actually that option, the template will have two options. one option to use the basic Google WordPress search, and the second option is to use that programmable search engine. With that programmable search engine, you can quickly index your pages because it's connected with the Google Search Console, and will display your actually indexed results on your website from your pages. Also, you can make money with that with Google AdSense. I will add some additional information in that panel tab, which is exactly only for the advanced search bar and search programmable Google search, and that's the basic options. Let me just copy the code, because I'm currently working on that, just to prepare the functionality. So for example, let me add that too, because I create search bar controls, programmable search. I just creating now a custom template for that, and we can see quickly how actually will work. For example, let me go back here. This is our page. We can just go to make it publish, and here, because I already actually add a programmable search engine template, which will be displayed here in the templates part, and you can see it exactly right here. And if you update with the selected WordPress templates page, actually you will get that custom template, which is part of the selection. So we got already actually that search engine, for example, because we add the code provided from Google, which is that one. And now, for example, let me quickly show you how, for example, we can customize like the colors or whatever we want. For example, let me go to search features. Let's look and feel. This is the second option, where you can select the template, the layouts, and whatever you want. For example, there is a default template, which is our current selection. And if we search for example, SEObook, SEObook Pro, for example, or whatever, there is no search results, because no pages are indexed actually from this website. So it's working like that. If you got indexed pages in the Google Search Console, and if you add that programmable search engine by Google, here in the search bar, only the pages that are in the Google Search Console will be displayed here. This means every time when Google index your page, or for some results, your programmable search engine will be with new results and stuff like that. So for example, Yourseobook, you can search for that, and you'll see that there is no results, because actually we don't have any pages that are indexed. For example, if we add the other websites that, for example, we got, like here in the search features, autocomplete, page restricted, let me, where was that? In the overview, search features. Yep. So for example, in the site to search, we can add the other website we got. For example, https seobookpro.com. And now, for example, if we add this like that, any results that are indexed in seobookpro.com will be displayed in our search engine, which is a completely different domain, Google Sheets Online. So for example, you need to wait a little bit. Meanwhile, in that time, let me just quickly show, for example, how we can just change the layout, the templates, and stuff like that. So for example, if you don't want the default templates, we can choose, for example, Espresso, and you can see immediately how actually it will look like. And this is taking a little bit time. So for example, and now if we refresh that page, we already have the search bar it will be with the espresso template. So for example, now we add a different website to search additional, which is part of our network. So for example, if we search for SEObook Pro, there is no result because it's different results. So SEO or just let me just search for technical SEO audit, for example. Technical site audit. I think we should have some results, and you can see here the SEObook Pro is already added in our search engine, so it's part of our network, and you can make this with your own programmable Google search engine. So this is for now. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you actually how to set up all the things, because now it's not the code, actually the JavaScripts and stuff like that are not added, and the customize option to display the normal search or just the Google programmable search engine are not implemented already. And this is part of the tutorial, and will be added to the related tab, which is header navigation search bar. And in that header navigation search bar, everything will be included, like customizing the search bar with colors, border, what type to search to use, like a programmable search engine or just the normal search, or where to display the results, how to display them, and stuff like that. So that's it for now, and thank you.